All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It has been an adventure to get to this lake. I'm out on Lake Hartwell, trying to get some fishing in, and it's been a challenging day. I drove about 45 minutes down to the lake, and for nothing really, because I didn't have everything with me that I was supposed to have. So I ended up making the decision to drive 45 minutes back to my house to get what I needed. And I thought about going to lakes closer to my house or whatever. I thought about going to sections of Lake Hartwell that's a little bit closer than this particular boat's launch that I'm at right now. And after thinking about it my whole drive back, I just decided to come to the place that I originally felt like I was going to come. So I came back to the exact same spot. There's a huge island right off the boat ramp right here that I fished the last time I came to Hartwell, but I got rained all over and ended up cutting my day short. So I'm gonna kind of like not drive back, but motor myself back to the ending point of that day, and gonna pick up right there. And hopefully the bite is good. It's a bright sunny day. The wind is a little bit under 20 miles per hour, I think, as far as like gust. So the temperature is good. It's in the 60s. So we're gonna try to get some fishing in. I'm gonna try to get some fishing in. So I'm gonna bring y'all right along with me. I hope y'all like the content. If I catch a good one, I'm gonna put a measurement on. I'm still gonna give y'all my 5 best fish that I catch in a month span or whatever, to try to see where I would stand as far as my blooper when it came down to my tournament. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this boat on in the water and get the fishing. See, now I got out of that sun come out of the clouds. You know, it feel a little bit better now. Just a little bit better. Uh-oh, I got a bite. Come on, y'all, hit it. I got him. Yes. Yeah, he feel like a good one too. He is a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Don't you come off. Don't you come off. No. Give me them lips. Yes, sir. Give me them lips. Yeah. That's a pretty one right there. You've been eating up something too. Got some nice little patterns on it. Alright, thank you for biting, young guy. Get on back in there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. No skunk today.